Around the world, people love. Unless we love and are loved, each one of us is alone, each one of us is lonely. It's not just the emotional intimacy. Along with that, physical intimacy also is a true root of love. We are all born out of love and sex. We don't talk about it. Today, we all are going to live long. There are blue zones across the world where people are living 120 years and more. When they are living 120 years, which means longevity is on the anvil, we all have a capacity or an innate mechanism where we can live longer. It's not just the lifespan which we need to extend, but along with that, health span. There should be no gap between health span and lifespan. So, how to die young at an older age is a big issue. The best way to live longer is to be sexually fit. I say this with great scientific logic. A person who has good enough sex or is capable of having good enough sex, his penile arteries are clean because he's got very good blood flow. Penile arteries are the smallest arteries across the body in a man. Larger is the diameter of coronary artery by 2 to 3 millimeters above the penile arteries. So, if you are able to have sex, and that will be a cliche for longevity. And if you want to live long, you need to have sex, and for that you need to be sexually fit. We know the most common causes of sexual dysfunctions are vascular diseases like diabetes, blood pressure rise, cholesterol rise, smoking, alcohol, drugs, stress, and all these are modifiable risk factors. We all have an innate mechanism of longevity in the form of activation of serotonins, which are anti-aging genes, autophagy, hormesis, reducing mTOR activity, and all these can be done with calorie restriction and mobility in our bodies, which is in our hands, which is a choice which we have. If we follow our choices and if we do what our body wants, not what our mind wants. Mind can want anything, but body doesn't need those things which you crave for. Pizza, alcohol, smoking, no. So if you follow lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, which is being a vegetarian, avoiding smoking, alcohol, stress, having good enough sleep, fasting for 16 to 20 hours, 12 to 16 hours a day, that's it. And work out for 30-40 minutes with stress, stretching and aerobics, you will live longer. Your arteries will remain clean. If your penile arteries remain clean, the coronaries automatically remain clean. So this is the biggest secret for success, for having longevity and having a vital longevity. If you do so, friends, trust me, you will never have sexual dysfunctions, and sex really has no expiry date. Thank you.